Welcome to Tally Help Videos. In this video, we will learn about the responsive design of browser reports in TallyPrime Release 2.0. The new design of browser reports will give you native viewing experience in tablet and mobile phone screens. The reports will change and adjust based on the screen size of the device used to view the reports. This will give you a homogeneous and natural experience of report viewing in each device type. Before we look at the reports in a browser, let us see how to give access to browser reports for a company in TallyPrime. First, you have to enable browser access, and then give access to a Tally.net user and connect the company for browser access. To enable browser access, press Alt-K and click Features or press F11. In the Company Features Alteration screen, set the option Enable Browser Access to Reports to Yes. Now, to give access to browser reports to a Tally.net user, press Alt-K and click Connect. The Security and User Access screen is displayed. In the Email ID for Browser Access field, select the Tally.net user ID to whom you want to give access to browser reports from the list displayed. You can even create a new user. Press Enter. The selected Tally.net user is given access to browser reports, and the company is connected. You can give access to multiple users also. This can be done from the Users and Passwords menu option under Company, or during connecting the company for the first time. Log in to www.tallysolutions.com using the Tally.net user ID from your mobile or a tablet. In the Report screen, click on the company name. The list of reports is displayed. The most commonly used reports are shown at the top, categorized as Common Reports. Select Balance Sheet from the Common Reports. In a mobile, the balance sheet display is modified to appear in vertical format. However, you can just tilt the phone to get the horizontal view. The report quickly readjusts the details in horizontal format. You can also drill down from any group. Let us say the current liabilities. Now, if you want to view details of a different group, you don't have to go back to the report and drill down again. Just use the Quick Access option. Type the group name and select. As you can see, current assets group details are displayed. You can further drill down by selecting a party ledger. Use the Show Details option to check the closing balance. You can collapse or expand the grand total to see more information on the screen. The option to hide or show grand total is available in all reports viewed on mobile. You can further drill down from any month in the Ledger Monthly Summary to view Ledger Voucher Report. You can change period of the report to view details for a different period. The option to change period is different in each device type. In a mobile, you have simplest design that allows you to easily select the day, month, and year. The options to download in Excel and PDF format are grouped together and easily accessible on the screen. To navigate back to the list of reports, just tap on the report title. You are back to List of Reports without having to do multiple back taps. You can search for any other report using the search bar. Tap on the report from the search results. Here we have opened the Profit and Loss Account report. In case you want to view the amount in millions, apply the scale factor. And again, to return to List of Reports, just tap on Report Title. To open Daybook, just search for it and tap on the name. By default, the report opens for last voucher date. If you want to check transactions for previous date, use Date Navigation button. The date change experience is different in mobile compared to desktop. Tap the report title to navigate back to List of Reports. Now search for Sales Orders Outstanding Report and tap on the name to open it. You can navigate to different sections in the report, like Goods Delivered but Order Not Received. In case you log into browsers using a laptop, you will experience the desktop designs of browser reports. There again, the report layouts, navigation, search are designed for faster access and better viewing of reports in desktop web browsers. Any device you use to view the reports will give a more natural viewing experience rather than force-fitting the reports designed for one layout into the other. Thank you. For more information, visit www.help.tallysolutions.com.